Verifying your identity on Samsung TV Plus is essential for accessing personalized content and features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access the Samsung TV Plus app. Open the Samsung TV Plus app on your Samsung Smart TV. Ensure that your TV is connected to the internet for the verification process to work smoothly. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use sRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Identity Verification. In the Settings menu, find and select the Identity Verification option. This will guide you through the steps necessary to confirm your identity. Step 4. Enter required information. Follow the prompts to enter the required information, which may include your Samsung account credentials, email address, or phone number. Make sure the information you provide is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm verification. Once you have entered the necessary information, follow any additional prompts to complete the verification process. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your identity has been successfully verified. After completing these steps, your identity should be verified on Samsung TV Plus, allowing you to enjoy a more personalized viewing experience. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Samsung support for assistance.